Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Today we're going to be unboxing the OtterBox Defender for my Note 8. Purchased this on the Shop Samsung app just because I received points and stuff like that, and I was able to use Samsung Pay and receive some more points that way. It did take a bit of time to get here. It took about a week for shipping with UPS, and then it was, did the final delivery with USPS. I upgraded the wrong package to UPS ground. Somebody was sending me these USB adapters to review, and I thought that was the case, so I upgraded it to UPS ground to get it a couple days earlier. And when I went to do the unboxing, I actually opened these and realized that that wasn't the case. Oh wait, these aren't... Shit. This isn't the OtterBox. These are the USB adapters that somebody sent me. Well. But the case is now here, so there we go. It's on the back side because my address is on the front of the box. But here we go, it's in here. I'll get rid of that packing slip before I show my address. It has like cardboard dust all over it. So it is just your regular OtterBox Defender. Nothing special about it. Slide that over to the side. We have the case, the belt clip. I actually do use these from time to time. I find them handy with a big phone like this. You don't have to put it in your pocket, and it's quite nice. That cardboard really got it all dusty though. But I love the feel of a new OtterBox when the rubber's nice and tight. It doesn't like unclip itself. From taking it on and off a bunch of times. I'm going to try to leave this case on there for a long period of time. I like changing my cases out a lot though, so it's one of those things where I wear out the edges of the rubber and they tend to not stick as well. So here's my Note 8 now. I'm using the Samsung Alcantara case that I put on in my other video. Nice case. It does, like if you have a dusty surface, like my table tends to get dusty pretty fast in here. So it does attract like dust and anything you have on your table. It picks it up really well in that cloth-like material. So that's one of the things I don't like about those, but it does feel really nice in the hand. So I do like that. OtterBox here though, obviously everybody knows OtterBoxes are like the best of the best for durable cases. Just unclip it here. Like I said, it is new, so it is a little hard to get off. Let's see, where is the other? Right here on the bottom. But once you get one of the sides off, they tend to come off pretty easy. There we go. So I'm going to give my phone a little cleaning real quick with my cloth. The Whoosh, if anybody hasn't tried this yet, you guys need to. It cleans your phone really well. It also protects against fingerprints, and it is completely non-toxic. They've actually done like tests, like when they demoed this product, they would have them like spray it in their mouth and stuff like that, just to show how clean it really is. So we're gonna get the phone all nice and clean here before we put it into a new case. This stuff removes anything you have on your phone really well. So there we go, we have a nice blue, clean Galaxy Note 8. I'm gonna set it down in there. Yeah, making sure I don't put it on backwards. Set it down in there, clip all those clips back in. There we go, are good to go. So there's that piece, and then we're just going to slide it back in to this one right here. I usually start at the top just because of the battery cover or the charge cover and stuff like that on the bottom. Snap the top down. Snap the bottom down. Get the corners on there good. Like I said, when these are new, they hold pretty well, so you don't really have to worry about the sides coming off. And then close the charge door and the headphone door. And you can see the OtterBox for the Note 8, nice big camera cutout right there for your fingerprint sensor and your camera and everything. Everything else is nicely protected. You got your volume button, your Bixby button, sleep wake button right there. A really big cutout for your S Pen, so no issues getting that out right there. No issues at all. In the S Pen cutout is also your speaker cutout, so that's all in one. I'm getting YouTube notifications. Stop. S Pen cutout and speaker cutout are in one. You have your little microphone cutout right there, and then another microphone cutout on the top. Overall, it adds a little bit of bulk to your case, but nothing too big. For the protection you get, it is definitely well worth it. That is the OtterBox Defender case for the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. This has been Colin with Techout. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop them down in the comments section below. And as always, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and have a great day.